Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. In this episode, I'd like to show you a new functionality in a SharePoint page regarding accessibility test. So let's first create a new SharePoint page. I'll click on New, I'll click on Pages, and I will choose one of the templates. Let's use the visual. And now it's created. And what we see here on the right pane, we have the toolkit, we have the properties, we have some design ideas, and now we have Accessibility Assistant. So actually, if we go here and let's say we check, it can actually check the page. I'll just give a name to this just to be sure. And if we click here, it should give us indication about how is the situation of the accessibility. So we get now a report that says looks good, no issues. It shows us about the banner, yet it's not missing any alt text. The text web parts are not missing link descriptions. If it's not hard to read, if the image is missing alt. And you can see here, we can go through all of them and it actually shows us where everything is there. So let's play around and do some things to test actually how it is. So first of all, we'll go here to this image, we'll delete the alt text accessibility test, and we will go to this section. And what I will do, I'll make the background very dark. And what I'll do is, in addition, in the more settings, I'll make it maybe like this and make the opacity very low. Oh. So you will see it's really hard to see the font. We want to see what is the result of this test. In addition, let's take this one and we will also here remove the accessibility test, the tooltip, and let's just save it. And what we want to do is actually now to test the accessibility. So we see here now it says the banner is still okay, but the text web part, we have 5 issues. So if we click here, it brings us to the text web part and it says it's hard to read the text. Instead of this, consider this. Change the text font color, change the section background image, and change the section background overlay. So I can either click I will fix this, or I fixed it, or ignore. It doesn't do much, but you see, but it tests. So let's try now to fix it and see if it does any, if it reacts like we wanted it. So let's just go to this section. Let's bring it back to something which is readable. And let's put here some text. This is some text. And let's go and add, there was one additional one I think we had. This was the issue. And let's just save and let's go to the accessibility test, and it will test again and tell us that it's much better. So it's updating the results. Let's just wait, and hopefully we see that this says it's hard to read. So let's adjust it even more. So we will go here and we will set it to this, and let's publish. And let's see how it is. So now we will edit the page, and we will go here to the testing, and now it looks good, no issues. Voila. So this gives us some indication on how the page looks, and it also brings us specifically to where the problem is and gives us some idea how to fix it. So hopefully this was helpful. This is supposed to be rolling out in the next month. So if you see it, test it, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.